With this lesson, we'll go over some basic voicemail features. We'll make a call, and then leave a voicemail, and then retrieve the call. And also we'll be changing our greeting. Let's make a call over to 201. Now notice the incoming call is coming in. If we want to, we can make it go to voicemail right away by pressing the to voicemail button.
Hello, this is Kim Williams. I can't come to the phone.
So we're going to leave her a message.
message.
Let's do that. Hi Kim, this is Jim. We're just going to leave you a message and see if you can retrieve it. Thank you. Now we notice that Kim's voicemail light comes on, and if we press the message button, that is our voicemail button, we'll be able to see that under Listen, which is Kim's personal voicemail, there's one new message, 0 old messages, and 0 saved messages. So let's select the Listen. We have one new message, we'll select that, and now we can play it back. We can see right away that it's from Bill Murrow. It is truncated, but you can guess pretty much who it is. It came in at 6:40 on 1/7. Let's listen.
Hi, Kim. This is Jim. We're just going to leave you a message and see if you can retrieve it.
We can press pause. We can press play.
Retrieve it. Thank you.
We can rewind it back to the beginning.
Hi, Kim. This is Jim. We're just going to leave you a message and see if you can retrieve it.
We can delete it or save it. Let's delete it for now. So that's how we listen to a message. You notice now that under Listen, it has 0 new messages, 0 old messages, and 0 saved messages. Let's exit. Let's go back into our voicemail and see what happens. Now what we can do is there's a down arrow next to Listen. That implies that there are other functions underneath the Listen. Using the down arrow key, we see Main, which is for a different mailbox, the general delivery mailbox. We'll get into that in a different module. Go down, Message. What we're going to deal with now is Greeting. Greeting is what people hear when they call your phone. So let's select it. We have the option of listening to it.
Hello, this is Kim Williams. I can't come to the phone.
Okay, so that's Kim's old message. Let's re-record that. We want to change it around a little bit. Let's record a new greeting. We don't quite like the old one that Kim had. We'll press Message, which is our voicemail. Scroll down to Greeting, press Select, and then Record. Record from the handset, not the speaker. It'll sound a lot better. And then we'll press Stop at the end. Hello, this is Kim. I can't come to the phone right now. Please leave me your name, number, and a brief message. Stop. We can listen to it. Good. And then after we listen to it, we press More and then Submit. If you do not press Submit, it's not going to save. Now we'll listen to it on the speaker, so it'll be easier to hear. Message. Greeting. This will ensure that it's also working.
Hello, this is Kim. I can't come to the phone right now. Please leave me your name, number, and a brief message.
Good. That worked fine. Another thing, let's exit out of here. Go back into voicemail. Scroll down. The next thing we're going to record is the name. Name is necessary if your company is using a dial-by-name directory. Without recording your name, just your first and last name, it's not going to be in the company directory. So let's select name. Let's record it. Kim Williams. Press Stop, More, and Submit. I heard a beep in my handset. That means it was accepted. So now we can go back in there and give it a listen. Make sure the name is truly in there.
Kim Williams.
Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay. There's other things we can do in the voicemail. We can scroll down to, I just want to point out, message is something that if you would like to leave a message, it'll send somebody a voicemail message without actually calling their phone. So that's something we hardly ever use, so we'll just skip right over it. But what we do use from time to time is the passcode. The passcode is used more often than not when you're dialing in through what's called a backdoor. Maybe your company has a special number set up and you can call in that number. It'll ask you for your extension number and passcode, and you put that in and you'll be able to retrieve your messages directly remotely with no problem. You will need the passcode and your name recorded and able to do that. Now some companies, you won't need to have a passcode when you're getting into your voicemail. Like this system, it doesn't ask for a passcode. But if the security is required, As soon as you hit message, it'll say enter your passcode. It already knows what extension you are, but you will have to enter the passcode. And back where we spoke about, this is where you change your passcode for both dialing in remotely and locally if needed. You put in the new passcode and then press save. We're going to show you some other features that help you choose what you would like to do when a call comes in. For example, we'll simulate a call coming in. Okay, we can see an outside call is coming in. We can choose to ignore the call, which will just silence your ringer, and then it'll go to voicemail at the appropriate time, or we can send it to voicemail right away. This way, the caller will not have to wait around. They'll hear the voicemail, and they can leave you a message. So right now, I'm probably going to leave you a message. Hello, how you doing? Thank you, and have a good day. Hang up. Now you can see we have a message again. Let's go back into messages. We have done this before. One message. Listen. We can either press the OK or select. Let's do OK this time. New one. We can hit OK again. Play. Okay, so we'll delete it. And we're back to normal. The home screen is also the phone button or the exit button. It always takes you to your main screen and you're ready for your next call.